And market regulator SEBI earlier this week had directed the exchanges to mitigate and to also migrate to uniform pricing. And NSE MD as well as CEO Ashishkumar Chauhan says that any change in regulation will not have any significant impact on the investors, and adds that they will remain vigilant and also continue to ensure that the integrity and the transparency of the market is maintained. Listen in.
In fact, exchanges have not been told to increase the fees.
Okay.
It is the framework which is saying that you don't have to charge on a slab basis, which was a discounted framework. You can charge on an equal basis to everyone. Whatever the case, once the regulators sort of regulations have been formed and issued, we'll have to abide by that. And broadly speaking, the transaction charges of exchanges are amongst the lowest part of the overall transaction cost which anyone pays, which would be for the investor. It's not that significant vis-a-vis what other charges they pay in terms of STT or brokerages and other things. So broadly speaking, this is not that much of an issue for the investors. It will have impact. Naturally, any regulations will have its own impact, but on the investor side, it's not even a significant, statistically significant number. There are going to be many companies which will come out of the list once that regulation is actually implemented, and also many companies which will come into the list, because last few years there has not been any change in the list of companies that have come into FNO or gone out of FNO. And the reason is basically there are many companies over a period have become illiquid, and there are many other companies which are not in the FNO list have become liquid. So that's basically the purpose. And once you apply the new regulations, you will see that difference. Naturally, we are continuously vigilant. That is our job. And we need to continue to ensure that the market, the integrity, fairness, transparency, efficiency is maintained continually by all exchanges.
Well, as we wrap up with this edition of Business Lunch, we leave you with visuals.